Hello students and parents, this is Gautam Sagar from Exwas Immigration and Student Management Services Private Limited. So NTA has given the official dates or announced the official dates for NEET UG programs. If in case I talk about the dates, from 8th of February to 8th of March you can apply for NEET UG programs. Okay, and details are available on the official website of NTA and NEET as well. If in case I talk about the decision of the cities will be decided and it will be displayed on the official website. And if in case I talk about the release of admit card, post completion of these forms, you will be getting the admit card, and post completion of filling the forms, will be getting the official deadline or timeline for correction of details. And the centers will be displayed on the official admit card of the students. Most probably the NEET exam will be conducted on 3rd of May 2026. These are the major headlines given by the NTA for NEET UG program. So if in case you want more details, you can visit down our website as well, that is www.exwasimmigration.com. Apart from that, you can visit down the website of NTA as well and NEET UG programs as well. And you have to prepare accordingly, and most probably the centers will be into your respective city. So accordingly fill the form. Okay, and you have to mention out the correct details into the form. Detail needs to be corrected. And if in case I talk about the fees, the fee parameter is depending upon the category. For general, there is different fees, SC, ST, OBC or PWD, the fees is different. For each and every student, the fees parameter are different. So this is how you have to go about the pass. And hope this video or this content will help you out, students. Thanks for your time. Thanks.